We got the Black Friday preview. Yes, we got just a sneak peek. Not all the deals are up, but we still got some of the deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. I subscribe and like, so help with this channel by doing so. Yes, we do have some of the holiday deals, so you guys do see here. They got a 3-pack of Surge Protector with the USB Type-C and USB Type-A. So that's pretty nice, a pack of 3. Says 8 feet cord with Surge, and then you got a 4 feet cord. Then you got, that's an extension. Alright, so these are the Milwaukee buy one, get one free deals that they're going to for the Black Friday and the holidays. This is going to be the cheapest kit for $199, and you're going to get yourself a free tool. They don't have the ads up, or they don't have nothing up yet. They just have the tools. This is going to be another one of those kits. They're going to include the brand new hammer drill, the impact driver. So you guys do see there. And guys, I do have videos on all these tools, so make sure you guys check out all those videos. I do have versus videos with other different brands. That's 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case. So yeah, these are going to be the Black Friday deals. Milwaukee, $399. $399, and then the other one that's on the bottom, this one's $599. It is a bigger kit. It does include the hammer drill, impact driver. Looks like oscillating tool, light, a small battery, and a bigger battery. I believe one of the bigger batteries is 6.0. Yes, it is. One of the high outputs, 6.0 battery, so that's a really good deal. It does include some sanding pads for the oscillating tool. So it's a little bigger kit. We got the angle grinder. These are the tools that you guys can select for free. Got the angle grinder, you got the quarter sheet sander, you got the rubber light. I do not believe the pack-up vacuum is in there. We'll have to see. We'll have to wait and see. But they do have that 2 filters there for $26 for the pack-up vacuums. Remember, guys, this is the time to stock up on these for the whole year, because they do get really expensive if you guys buy them one by one. So you got the circular saw there, the circular saw kit. You got the oscillating tool. You got, looks like the router. It's a compact router, 2723-20 at $179. You got the blower at $189. You got the jigsaw for $199. That's the D-handle jigsaw. And then you got the impact driver, $169. That is the Surge. 100 reciprocating saw, and then you got this 2-bay battery chargers. This is the one that I want, so hopefully I'll pick this up. I don't know if they're gonna have this as a free tool, but they do have it. It's fairly new. They got this deal here. This is 3 batteries for $299. It does include a 12-amp-hour high output battery and 2 5s. Yes, guys, it's not the best deal. We've seen them before. We've seen them, these batteries really cheap, but you know, we're not gonna see that $100 price anymore on these. Not even close. All right, so we got the Makita Deals. So this is we'll go over them in just a second. We got $19.99 for the Gorilla Grip 20-pack, or 20 pair, however you want to put it. You got $11.97 for the work gloves, Dura Net. Alright, so we got the Makita Deals. These are going to be the starter kit. With this starter kit, you're going to be able to get a free tool. These are 2 5-amp-hour batteries. There's a fast charger. So that's going to be a really nice deal here, especially for this Makita. It's $199, so you guys know how that works. Once you guys have that $199, you can select any of these tools for free. You can include this jigsaw. You got the oscillating tool. You got the ratchet. That's a good one to get, the ratchet. I believe it does have an adapter. You guys could use 3/8 or 1/4-inch drive. You got the inflator, the tire inflator, the reciprocating saw, and then you got this this combo kit. It does include impact driver and drill driver. This is a hammer drill, or a hammer driver, however you want to call it. Those are top of the line tools. Remember, guys, this is a hammer drill, impact driver, charger and 2 batteries. So $349 for the 5 amp hour combo kit, and then you got the blower there. That's one of the tools you guys can select for free. You got the you can select from the circular saw, the angle grinder, and then you got the X-Lock angle grinder here to the right, which is the one that you should be getting, the X-Lock angle grinder, because that's a really good one, because you can use the X-Lock discs on it. You got the rigid LED lights. Yeah, I heard that this year, a lot of you guys are commenting down below in the comment section that this year Rich is gonna have a killer deal. So we're gonna have to wait for those deals because these deals are not up yet. This is just like a little preview. You got a 4-tool combo kit there for $429. This is like with 2 batteries. You got a 4-pack of 12x1 tie downs or ratcheting tie downs. So not a bad deal in those. And then you got this hybrid hose with hose reel, air hose for $119. They got this pocket hole jig 520 Pro with some clamps. Then they got the Craig pocket hole jig 320. So different jigs on those, and $39.97 and $99.97. I don't know if they're gonna have different prices right at Black Friday, but for now these are the prices that they got going on. So $24.88 for the Stanley Fat Max. And then you got the rear handle. This is the rear handle with the 2 batteries. This is the 2 18-volt batteries. And then you got the 2 18-volt batteries for 2 5 amp hour for $239. And guys, I think the price is going to be lower than that. I don't know why they have that price there. But I believe the price is going to go down, and you're going to be able to get those 2 batteries extra for free. I believe that's what I saw on these cardboards. On the behind that cardboard, as you guys do see to the right, it was hard to see, but it does say there. They might flip it right, when November hits. So you guys do see they does have a different price. They did cover it up, so it was $359, and this one looks like it's $259. And it does say to the right there, you're gonna be able to get some tools for free. It's just that, not the tools, the batteries, the 2 batteries for free. Alright, you get the X-Lock for $199, and then you got the reciprocating saw. They're stocking up on all these tools because they're gonna have a big sale going on. Got the pry bar set, 3-piece, 44, and the 36-inch pry bar for $29.97. That's it right there. That's pretty nice pry bars for the price. And then they have this, guys. These are really nice lights. This is the new exclusive 650 Lumen dual power headlight and the flashlight. So this, I ended up getting this. I will be doing a review on this, hopefully, if I can get it out this weekend, or early next week, or this week coming up. But this one looks actually really good quality. It looks very similar to the Milwaukee one, but this one is rechargeable. That's one thing that made me got it, because it is rechargeable. You guys know how I feel about rechargeable headlamps and flashlights. Because if you just, invest one time and you're not buying batteries, that's the best way to do it. So you got 250 lumen. So you got different speed settings. They got, it does have like a side lamp and like a flood lamp that they call it. And this one is dual powered. You guys can power this with regular batteries or charge them. So and it's 1500 lumen. So this thing is big. This thing has a big LED light there. And this Home Depot is really bright, so it doesn't justify the power of this light. But this thing will get you blind. Definitely will get you blind. Alright, so you got the Gator Machete for $26, and a knife, and then you got the 15-in-1 for $39.97. Then you got the beanie and the folding knife for $14.88. So some good deals from Gerber. That is the beanie and the folding knife. That's pretty nice. I really like their quality. The way it's shaped, perfect for the hand. You got the 15-in-1. It's a suspension NXT multi-tool. Then you got the machete there with the nice saw back or saw top, however you want to call it. So you guys can use it out there to cut some trees down. Alright, so you got the 30 piece. You got 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits, Phillips, Stars, Robertsons, 1347. That's a nice set. Definitely on the great value side, basically, especially for that brand. And I did see this on clear. I don't know if this is actually on clearance, but it was in the Milwaukee section with the yellow tag. So 129 is the 12-volt starter kit. This is a really good deal. This is the M12 fuel 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour hammer drill and impact driver combo for 149. That's a really good deal on this one. So definitely check that one out. And then you got the 20 volt max cordless brushless, $5.99. So it is a 4-tool combo kit. Oscillating tool. You got the reciprocating saw, the new impact driver, and a drill. You got the impact driver right here. This is just bare tool. $59. This is just Ryobi 1. I don't think it's brushless. You got this 4-tool combo kit, which is really a 3-tool combo kit for $129. Was $199. It's probably from last year. And then you got this starter kit, 3 amp hour starter kit for $99. Was $159. This is the clearance section, by the way. You got the 12-volt battery and charger, so 2.0 amp hour battery, $49. Was $89. And these are 12 volt, by the way. So don't think they're 18 volts. You got a 2-pack of 7 1/4 framing saw blades, $8.97. It's a great value if you got a couple projects. And then you got the miter saw, 12-inch, 44 tooth. General purpose saw blades, $54.97. Diablo. You got the clearance section here. There, I was just looking at some tools. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm not going to go over all of it, but I just went to the ones that catch my attention, which is this DeWalt for $99. And then you guys could, if you guys are interested in an item like this, make sure you guys take it up to the associate. They should be able to scan it for you and update you guys on the price, because some of these prices are usually not updated, and sometimes it's a lot cheaper than what it says right there. The 40-piece impact driving set, 1206 with impact sockets. These, remember guys, this was from the last sale that they got going on, so they might be cheaper. They got a max fit, 60-piece. It's a really nice set with the socket adapter, some Tic Tac case, an extension to the right, $27. You got the nitrous torch carbide blade, Milwaukee 9-inch. It's pretty good deals with that. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.